Welcome, here I've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the other category, and at the first place here we have scan QR codes option. So by using this button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on as we need. I of course suggest you to keep it turned on because this is the easiest way to scan QR codes on this device. Now you can do it by just putting them inside your camera and you don't need any other app to do it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.